How to request to join someone's TikTok live. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your TikTok application. After that, in your home page, from your top left corner, go to the live section. Now, in order to request in someone's live, what you will have to do is simply find an option in this section of this interface and tap on the request button. Wait for the admin or the creator to let you in, and after that you will be able to join their live. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.